Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So, hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. Meatless Monday, y'all. Now we're gonna start off with this eggplant right here. Just gonna cut both ends off. Then, of course, we're gonna go ahead and peel this. Now I just want to say, hey, don't forget to give your boy that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. Now once we get it all peeled up, we're going to cut it into pieces about a 1/4 inch thick. Now that we got it all cut, let's go ahead and rain on them with a little bit of salt. That's gonna help draw out the moisture and take away that bitter taste. And while we're waiting on that process to take place, we're gonna go ahead and get our bell pepper cut. We're gonna get into our pan. Then I'll hit it with my little spritzy sprit. And if you don't know, there's just a little bit of olive oil in that spray bottle, y'all. A little bit of olive oil. And then we're gonna rain on with a little bit of salt and get them up under the broiler. Now once he come out the oven, we're just gonna peel off that skin. Now you gonna wait until this thing cool off, y'all. Don't try to do it as soon as it come out now. Now to a pan, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And while that oil is heating up, we're gonna go ahead and hit our eggplant with the peppers, because it's time to fry up now, y'all. So let's get our eggplant into our pan. Oh yeah. Looking good now, y'all. Look good. So all we're gonna do is fry our eggplant up until it turns a nice golden brown like this. And let's go ahead and get it out that pan. And let's go and build our sandwich, y'all. Now I'm starting off with a little bit of pepper jelly. You can use whatever kind you like. Now we're gonna come in with our eggplant. Now once we get that eggplant on, of course we gotta come in with our beautiful bell peppers. And then we're gonna hit it with a couple of tomatoes. And of course, at the end, we gotta hit it with a little fresh pepper. It's gonna increase that layer of flavor, y'all. Then we can go ahead and get our top piece on. Now I had a little mayo on my top piece. You know, you can add whatever condiment you like. Now look at that sandwich there, y'all. Don't it look tasty? I know it look tasty. But anyway, I really enjoyed this sandwich. I hope y'all give this a try. But y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.